Yo guys, another day, another dance cover tayo ngayon. So, ang gagaling ng mga batang to, check nyo. So, na-inspire ako sa kanila. So, try natin na sundan. I hope makuha ko. So, tara, gawin na natin. Okay, so first steps na gagawin is jump ka and pagbaba, i-point yung heels mo. Okay, so ulitin natin. 1 and 2. Okay? And sabayan natin ang arms. Okay? So, kung saan naka-point yung heels, doon naman nakaturo yung arm. And then, yung isang arm sa baba naman siya. Next steps is jump uli, and yung arms mo is naka-point sa taas. And then, ulitin yung jump, and open mo yung arms mo. And then, ikot. 1, 2. And then, after pag-ikot, balik. 1. And, yung kamay. And then, baba. Back. And pag close, step dito yung kanan. So kanan step sabay yung kaliwa na kamay. So, pa-center. 1 and 2 and 3 and bawi. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, bawi. Then bawi. Pagbalik sa paa, left naman ang ito namang left ang center, and then ito yung kanan ng ganun mo. Okay? So, for example, 1, 2, 3, bawi. And, pagbalik, 1, 2, 3, bawi. After bawi, open mo yung arms mo and then yung legs mo. Gaganon kamay. Ganon, tapos close. Dito, so, from dito, pak, tak, then balik, tak, tak, then balik uli, tak, tak, then balik, tak, then after nyan, straight yung left, and then up yung left, and then push yung kanan mo, push, and then forward yung kanan, and then wave. With you, I watch the whole room change. What you do? No, my baby don't play. Blaming all my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. I hit tripping with you. So yun guys, I hope namin natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow, like, and share. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, and God bless and enjoy.